Most fleet operators live in survival mode. They asked a simple question: why? In a world of instant everything, why was growing a fleet still so chaotic? In Nairobi and across East Africa, running a transport business meant disconnected spreadsheets, late payments, and constant follow-ups. It was a manual, reactive cycle of just getting by. Nova Fleet was built to break that cycle. It's a single operating system designed for African fleet realities, a central cockpit for collections, compliance, and performance. Instead of just showing data on a dashboard, the platform shows teams what to act on now. It automates driver reminders and simplifies hiring. It's about moving from daily chaos to reliable, controlled execution. The result is not just less paperwork or more visibility. Fleet partners feel more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally confident about growth. It's the difference between just surviving and starting to build an empire.